count it, but oh my god, it's stressful. My dad has got me beef patties. I have couldn't wait. I miss this in London because you get beef patties, you get Goan stuff as well in London, but I don't know, man. When you wake up in the morning and breakfast is ready, that is one thing I miss. Second thing is the taste of this patties now is quite different. This is my favorite pizza. I think it's bought it from Jacques probably. So for me, it's quite different from anywhere else. I love it only from Jacques. There is no other place that I love it from. हाताक बरें हाताक मसाज मेळ्ळा बरो चल गे ताका मनशा भाशेन चल गे ताका चल गे थँक्यू आं आज मुट्टो थँक्यू आं चल तो न्हिदपा पावलो तें चल गे ताका पोजिशन मेळना गो क्लोजर
हय ये दाटी
Eldon is watching Eldon on the vlog.
अच्छा, by the way, did you see we both are wearing white?
Oh yeah. And with the white background at the back.
White on white. Who asked you all to wear such shoes on the beach side? Look at, I'll not even look, Vijay, look. So we are come to Colva Beach, and this used to be my favorite place to come to when we were small. Our picnic spot of the whole family used to be Colva Beach. We come to Colva, when we used to come to Colva, it was like a treat, not to us, for us. Not even like every day, not even like every Sunday. We would come like once in 6 months. Once in 6 months we would come. But the day we would come, right, we would enjoy ourselves a lot. A lot of Indian tourists, they know Colva Beach. So whenever they come to Goa, they all make it a point to come to Colva Beach. They don't know any other place. Before it was like that. They never knew any other beach. So they used to always come to Colva. Now they're exploring, people are coming out, there are vloggers, there are people who post pictures, there are influencers who travel places and will give you more information about the area. So you will see more and more tourists visiting the other beaches as well. Now, over here, if you can see the entire crowd, that is where the light, this pole is there, right? This is the main spot. This is where the Colva Beach starts. And that is where exactly the entire tourist is. Can you see the entire crowd is over there? And if you walk down this lane, the crowd is less. This is all Colva Beach. So, right now we parked our bike here. We came on this side. In that area, all the fisher ladies are sitting down with fish, but this one is known as dried fish. Like we call it dried fish only. dried prawns, Bombay duck, all of these type, and they are Goan people's favorite food. If you come to Goa, you need to try this. The food, the authentic. Why am I not getting the word? Authentic. Huh. If you come to Goa, these are the food items that you need to try. Authentic, dried fish. You know, para, we call it para, right?
Yeah,
Bombil. What about the fried fish,
okay.
the dried? Nobody actually tries it out.
Nobody does it.
Nobody does it. But if you all come, do try it out. So guys, right now she's filled salt inside the fish. She stuffed salt with it, and for the next 4 days they're going to dry it and prepare it. You know, the dried fish that I showed her in the previous clips, this is how it is being prepared. So she's going to put salt. She puts a layer of fish, a layer of salt, and then for 1 day, ek disa dota hai tumeshkon. For 1 day she's going to keep it in the basket like this, and later is going to be kept for drying like this. This is how they're going to be drying the fish. The whole road has been filled, in fact. You see, they have filled it up over here. This is close to the beach. The beach is over there. They are working over there, and this is where they have kept for drying. For 4 days this is going to be kept for drying. They're going to be turning it around, and they're going to be turning it around to dry with salt and everything, and the final product has been sold separately. We cook it. It's amazing, very tasty, the authentic Goan food, the staple food of Goa. If you all come to Goa, make sure you all eat dried fish. Do not forget to eat that. It's amazing. Go local, eat in the small hotels, ask the local people, and enjoy Goa like this. What are these, Vijay? You want to tell them? On the
Lifeguards, right?
You want to say on the vlog? Here all the fishermen, all the men are sitting and enjoying a good drink. They're playing a game and stuff like that. This is the exact look of food is mog.